Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about my first ever Boxycharm subscription box. Now I know that there are so many Boxycharm videos here on YouTube, and I was really debating on doing this video, but I feel like it can be helpful because this is my first ever Boxycharm box. I'm not comparing it to like past boxes and products that have come in past boxes. I feel like since it is my first, I could really just review it by what type of products are in here, what's the value of the box versus what you're paying for. I have tried Ipsy in the past, so I can compare it to the Ipsy bag and stuff like that. So I was debating on doing this video, like I said, but my boyfriend got me the subscription for my birthday. Shout out to Brandon, thank you so much for that. I love getting new products like this, and I feel like in these boxes it gives me a chance to test out stuff that I wouldn't purchase otherwise. I figured maybe my review could be valuable. I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing this video, and I hope you guys aren't tired of seeing Boxycharm videos already, but like I said, it is my first one, so I feel like it's gonna be more of like a first impression on the actual subscription service as a whole, if that makes any sense. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave, and without further ado, let's just get on into the August Boxycharm box. First things first, I really love the packaging. I wanted to touch on that in the video. This is like the actual box that it comes in. The mailing label is on the bottom right there. My school's mailroom did put like my name and my room number on this, like super big on the side, so I wasn't able to peel off the rest off the top, but ignoring that, I think the box is really cute and sleek. And then when you opened it up, everything was packaged so nicely. That was the first thing that I noticed, that you have the card explaining what everything is, and then you also have a really nice thick layer of protective foam. I did like rip through the box when I first got it, so everything isn't exactly how the box first came, but it is pretty close. So let me just start by going through the box, telling you guys what I got, what I think about the products, and I will let you know like the price point, and then at the end we will add up everything to see what the value of this month's box was. So the first thing that I pulled out of the box were these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and these retail for $13. Now I'm not sure if these retail for $13 each or if all three of them are like a pack for $13. Now if they were $13 each, I mean that already right there is way more than what you're paying for the monthly subscription, but I will definitely do my research for you guys and pop it on the screen right here to let you guys know. I've never used an eye mask before, let alone a gold eye mask, so I'm definitely gonna try these out and let you guys know what I think. I'm always kind of like a little nervous to put stuff on my face because I do have sensitive skin, but this says that it has hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil, and I have found that my skin really does like aloe, so hopefully these will work out for me, and then I will pop in the description box how those worked out for me. But these seem like really luxurious. Even just like the packaging looks so nice and luxurious. I could imagine though that one pair of these could be $13. I totally could be wrong, but like I said, I will let you guys know, and I'm really excited to try these. This definitely isn't something that I would have bought myself. Like I said, I really do like subscription boxes because you get things that maybe you typically would have never tried, and then you could find something that could be like an everyday staple in your routine. I'm super excited to try those. The next thing in the box that I seriously almost like screamed when I opened it was this pair of House of Lashes lashes, and this is in the style boudoir. You guys know that I'm not a huge fan of fake lashes. I do like wearing them for like special occasions. If I'm going to a wedding, I wore them for like my senior prom, but other than that, I'm definitely not an eyelash on the daily kind of person. I love just using mascara. I definitely think that eye look should be able to shine without fake lashes. That's just my opinion though, but these look so pretty and I've been wanting to try them. So like I said, these are in the style boudoir. These are a bit more dramatic than I would typically go for. The band looks really, really thick. I've heard really great things about House of Lashes, but I think the band is going to be something that is gonna be like a big adjustment for me because I've always used like Ardell lashes or Kiss lashes, and those have more of like the thin clear band. This looks like that really thick sturdy band. Looking at the card that Boxycharm came with, these retail for $12 each, and it says add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. They are cruelty free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. 15 wears. That seems a little crazy. I guess if you did take care of your lashes, if you were like an avid fake lash lover. So I'm definitely excited to try these out, and I will keep you guys updated on these as well. But so far with these items, even if you just say one set of the eye masks were 13 and then this was 12, you're already over what you paid for the whole entire box. So already I think what you're getting in the box, the value is already greater than what you're paying for it. So let's move on to the next item. Next up, I pulled out the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Slay Tan. I've always wanted to try this, you guys, but I'm kind of over the liquid lipstick phase. I do have one on right now, which is really comfortable. This is Morphe's collaboration with Orpha in the shade Vinyl, but I've heard really great things about the Smashbox liquid lipstick, and I actually tried this on and the formula was really comfortable. These lipsticks retail for $24 and it is a full-size product. Again, in Boxycharm, you are getting full-size products, and what I love the most, what really has stood out to me just in this one box, but then also when I've seen other people's video, I recognize like almost all of the brands that are in these Boxycharms. When I used to get Ipsy, which I really did like when I was first getting into makeup, but as I got more into makeup, I felt like Ipsy was just giving so many samples of just so many brands I had never heard of, so many things that I wasn't interested in. I got so much nail polish and hair care from Ipsy, which at the time I didn't really mind, but of course, if you could get that or 5 or 6 full-size makeup products, I'm definitely picking the 5 or 6 full-size makeup products. So again, Smashbox is such a well-known, established brand. I think it's awesome that you could pay just like one flat price and get something worth more than that in the box from an awesome brand. So this is in the shade Slay Tan, like I said. This is definitely a little bit of a different color that I'm used to, but on the lips it is very interesting, and I feel like in the fall with like a nice subtle like brown warm smoky eye, I can make this work. I feel like this is gonna be fun for a lot of looks in the fall, maybe more of like an out there, more like editorial type of look. I feel like I could definitely make this work. This next product is the Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, and on the card it says that you could use it as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or even touch up your brows. So I guess you could use it like a pomade. This creamy chocolate tone pomade, oh there it says pomade. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat, and this retails for $22, and it is from the brand Bang Beauty. I have heard of this brand briefly. I'm not really sure where, maybe in someone else's Boxycharm unboxing. To me, it definitely wasn't like a super well-known brand, but I love the component. Again, another full-size product. Here is what the component looks like. If you guys can see, it's just a really pretty jar, kind of like a typical gel liner. And then this is the shade right here. It is just in the shade Chocolate. I'm wondering if this would work for my brows. I've never tried a pomade like this before. Let me swatch and see what the color looks like. Oh, I definitely think that would work for my brows. When you swatch it, it's this one right here. I feel like it definitely pulls a little bit more cool tone than I would assume like a chocolate shade would be, but there is the shade Chocolate. I think that might work for my brows. So definitely let me know if you guys have ever tried anything like this for your brows. It seems like a little bit more stiff and like a little bit more of a dry product, like it's not really spreading out too easily. So yeah, you see like when I kind of blended it out, it got a little bit patchy, but maybe if I just do like a cute little wing with this or just feather it through my brows, I feel like that could be cute. So let me know if you guys have tried this product or anything else from this brand, but I'm really curious to see how it performs. The component on this, the first thing that I noticed was that this is a really heavy component compared to some of my other gel liners that I have. This feels very, very luxurious, and I love the packaging. So personally for me, I'm usually not the biggest fan when my subscription boxes come with nail products. Like I said, I got so many nail polishes from Ipsy, which I really liked at the time, but I don't paint my own nails anymore. I get gel polish done. So I'm not really a huge fan when my boxes come with nail polish, but I did get something for my nails in this box, and this is the Ades, I want to say that's how you say it, New York, their sweet almond cuticle oil, which this actually really excites me. So this says treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba, I don't know how to say that, jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that soften the cuticles, moisturize, and hydrate the nails, and this retails for $18. I feel like Boxycharm or my boyfriend read my mind because I've really been wanting a cuticle oil. I just wasn't sure which one to get. I always felt like they were kind of expensive, and even though I do get manicures and I get my nails done, I feel like maybe about a week or two in, my cuticles start to get dry, and around my nails, I feel like I start to get like a lot of hangnails and just dryness. So I feel like that this is really going to come in handy. This is what that looks like right there. Really cute bottle. I have gotten nail polishes from this brand before. I want to see if it smells like almonds. I don't think that this smells like almonds, but I don't think that it smells bad either. I think it just has like a really natural scent. This is not tested on animals, made in the USA. Oh, and they're based right here in New York, Ades newyork.com. So I'll definitely be trying this out on my cuticles and keep you guys updated on how that is working out for me. All right, you guys, so last but not least, in my August Boxycharm, I'm a little hesitant to talk about this last product. I'm sure a lot of you guys know why. I received the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys know what's going on. Like I've said on my channel in the past, I don't want any drama on my channel. I don't want any negative vibes. So I'm gonna be reviewing this in like a very removing myself from the situation way. Any thoughts and personal feelings and drama about Laura Lee aside, this is just like a review of the Boxycharm value and my first impression on the Boxycharm. So I really hope that you guys understand. I hope that you guys are not here for like any drama, because that's not going to be happening. I'm just like removing myself from the situation and looking at it like this is what came in the Boxycharm. I'm just going to be reviewing the product like fairly and just because it's in the Boxycharm, if that makes any sense. So like I said, I did get the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. So this palette retails for $19 and it says dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. So before I actually got my Boxycharm, I never had seen this palette before. This is what the packaging looks like right here, and then here is the actual palette. This is a crazy bright palette. When it said Party Animal, for some reason, I thought it was gonna be kind of like the colors that are on this triangle, maybe like some purples, some metallic shades, like a silver, maybe like a gray, like a smoky black shade. But when I opened it, I was like, whoa, she was not kidding when she said it was a party palette. As someone who loves makeup and as someone who has tried so many different palettes and can appreciate a good formula, especially in colorful shadows, I really still think I want to put this to the test. I probably won't be talking about it much more on my channel, but I want to see just what the colors are like and how they actually perform on the eyes. Overall though, in just a broad sense of things, I feel like Boxycharm is one of the few subscription boxes that offers full-size palettes. I know in the July box, subscribers got the Alamad palette by Gabby T MUA, I believe. I don't know her full name, but she's Kathleen Light's makeup artist for KL Polish, and she just came out with her own makeup line called Alamad Cosmetics. I think someone like Gabby totally deserved to be in the Boxycharm to get her that exposure, and the fact that they included a whole palette and then more for only 21 bucks a month, I think is really awesome. All right, you guys, so that is gonna complete this video. That is everything that I got in my August Boxycharm. Overall though, you guys, I am excited to get more Boxycharms in the future. I was really impressed with this box. I think the value is absolutely awesome. So after calculating everything in this month's box, I got $90 worth of stuff, and I believe my boyfriend got me the 3-month subscription and it was about 50, 60 bucks. So even right there for 3 months, what you're getting in one box is way more than what my boyfriend paid to get me for 3 months. So I definitely think that Boxycharm is an awesome value. I love that you're getting the full-size products. Again, if you are debating Boxycharm or Ipsy, I definitely would say Boxycharm. It is a bit more expensive than Ipsy. Ipsy is only $10 a month if you get that subscription, but I think just comparing what you're getting, the Ipsy is just like little things here and there, brands that aren't as well known, whereas you're getting like 5 full-size pretty well-known products. Wait, did I get 5 or 6? I got 6 full-size pretty well-known brands and products in my Boxycharm. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful if you were looking into getting Boxycharm but you weren't sure about the value and what you were getting. I really hope that my views and my thoughts on it can help you guys out. I'm so excited to get more boxes over the next couple months. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, make sure my notifications are on. That way you will get directly notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!